A bundle product refers to a combination of various products that are sold together as a package at a single price. For instance, a table and chairs can be sold as a bundle product. Consider a scenario where you have 2 tables and 8 chairs, with 4 chairs selling together with 1 table. You would have 2 bundle products in stock. Furthermore, if you decide to sell the table or chairs separately, the quantity will be automatically deducted from the bundle product. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to create a bundle product in OnePatch. A bundle product is a product made of multiple products to be sold together for a single price. To create a bundle product, go to the menu on the left-hand side and click Products, then All Products. Once the page has loaded, go to the top of the page and click Add Product. Then once the page has loaded, go to the drop-down on the top right-hand side of the page and select Bundle Product. Then you will see that a search bar has appeared. This is for searching for the products you would like to include in your bundle product. So enter the product name and select the products you would like. Once you have done this, just enter the name you would like for your bundle product and click Save Bundle Product. And that's it. You have now created a bundle product. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other video tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your OnePatch account.